this video, I'm going to show you how to replace one of the tail light bulbs on the 2007 Audi Q7. First, remove the cover. Then, twist the light bulb counterclockwise and pull it out. Push on the bulb and turn it counterclockwise and pull it out. So the replacement light bulbs were $7.49 at Advanced Auto Parts, very basic ones. You can find some on Amazon, but they might cost a little bit more for a pack of 2, at least at the time of creating this video. I do want to try getting some LED ones because these have been going out quite often on this car. I'm not sure why, but maybe that'll be a video for another time. Do the opposite on the installation. You pull it in, push, and then turn it clockwise, just like that. Install the bulb at an angle like this, and then twist it clockwise until it clicks. Install the cover back on, and you're set. And now test the rear light, make sure the bulb works. Looks good. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment below. If you want to support this channel, use my affiliate links below. I appreciate all the support. Thank you.